Modals are auxiliary verbs used to express abilities, possibilities, permissions, obligations, and other related concepts. Understanding how to use modals in both present and past forms is essential for conveying the right meaning in English. Here's a guide to help you understand and use modals effectively. Modals serve to nuance your speech, allowing for precise expression of various states and actions. Present modals, can/could, can is employed to convey ability, permission, or possibility. For example, one might say, I can swim very well to denote ability, or can I leave early today to request permission. Could acts as the past form of can but also serves to express polite requests or possibilities, such as in when I was younger, I could run fast to indicate past ability, or could you help me with this for a polite request. May/might, may is used to grant permission or indicate a possibility, such as you may go to the party or it may rain later. Conversely, might signifies a less certain possibility, example, she might come to the meeting. Must/have to, must expresses necessity or a strong obligation, illustrated by you must wear a helmet when riding a bike. Have to conveys a similar necessity or obligation, typically dictated by external factors, as in I have to finish this report by tomorrow. Should/ought to, should offers advice or recommendations, like you should try the new restaurant. Ought to, akin to should, implies moral obligation or advice, as in you ought to apologize for your mistake. Past modals, could have, this construction indicates a past ability that was not exercised or a possibility that did not materialize. For instance, I could have gone to the party, but I decided to stay home. May have/might have, these forms express uncertainty about past events, such as she may have forgotten about the meeting or he might have missed the bus. Must have, employed to denote logical deductions about past events, as evidenced by they must have left early, as they are not here. Should have/ought to have, these modals convey regret or critique concerning past actions, as seen in you should have called me earlier or he ought to have studied harder for the exam. Examples and practice. Present modals. Permission, can I use your phone for asking for permission, and you may not enter the restricted area for denying permission. Obligation, you must finish your homework before playing games and I have to attend the meeting. Possibility, it might rain today, so take an umbrella. Ability, she can speak 3 languages fluently. Past modals. Past ability, when I was a child, I could climb trees easily. Regret or criticism, I should have woken up earlier and they ought to have informed us about the change. Past possibility, he might have gone to the store. Logical deduction, she must have been tired after the long trip. 1. I might go to the party, but I have too much work to do. 2. You must not park here, it's a restricted area. 3. They might/may have seen the movie already. 4. He must/has to finish his project by next week. 5. I could swim when I was younger.